Yeah, morning. It's Craig here from Yesway Communications. Okay, this is a software-defined radio dongle. Now, basically what it does, it's receiving RF signals and connecting with a laptop, which is doing the processing. A lot of the processing, which would traditionally be handled by electronics. So we're replacing a lot of the electronics of a radio system with software, because the software in the computer is able to replicate and achieve the same as if we had fixed electronic hardware. So this is just basically receiving radio signals. But it's not traditional radio. You would be receiving the radio signals and you would be adjusting them to the set frequency that you require, for instance. Whereas we're doing that via the computer. This is just basically a device receiving radio signals. These things are pretty cheap. It's the software that's doing most of the processing rather than the electronics. So antenna side, standard USB, and it plugs into your laptop. Now I have made videos on this before if you're interested. I think if you look on the Yesway Communications LinkedIn page, you'll find a demonstration of this. But that, in a nutshell, is what software-defined radio is. And software-defined radio is rapidly expanding and taking over because of the flexibility it offers. Rather than having fixed hardware with fixed capabilities, you can easily change them, which obviously is a great benefit, especially if you put it into a satellite system, because it's not going to be feasible to go up to the satellite and install new hardware because you want to change something about it. So software-defined radio, that's what it is. It's using computer software, computer programs to largely replace a lot of the electronics that used to be used in radio communications. Obviously, you need to receive radio signals, which is what that does, but most of it is done in the software. So that's software-defined radio for you. It's Craig here from Yesway Communications. I thought I'd make a video. I really should script these. I just think, switch the camera on. Right, what should I talk about? And yeah, I thought, well, I looked down, I saw the dongle on the desk, thought, right, we'll talk about software-defined radio. If you need any help with radio communications for your business, or want to find out more about what we can offer, just get in contact via the LinkedIn page. It's Yesway Communications, or via my personal LinkedIn page, or whatever platform I've posted this to, because I might post it to something else in addition to LinkedIn. Anyhow, thanks very much, and I'll hopefully catch up with you soon. Bye.